Girl, if you want to see how I did this look today, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. It's coming up in just a few moments. What's up, my Kyrie queens? It's your girl Kyrie Contour. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notification button. I can never say that right. Hit the post notification button just so you know when any of my videos post. So yeah, just stay tuned. We're gonna get started right now. Hey, right now. Yo, we about to turn up. Let's turn up, y'all. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am just gonna dive right into this makeup tutorial. I just feel so like rejuvenated and relaxed, and I'll kind of like talk throughout the video of like what I've been up to and to why like I've been gone for a little bit. The video I posted last week, I actually recorded that like a month before I posted it, but so much stuff was going on. So let's just go right into the tutorial. I actually did my foundation first because I'm getting ready to go to work, and I think that's easier for me to just do the foundation first, put some setting powder under my eyes so no fallout would mess up my face, and then go from there. We're gonna do a purpley look. Glitters. A really good friend of mine, Marissa. Thank you, girl. I love you. My birthday was a few weeks ago. She got me this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I love it because it comes with its own brush. Under my eyebrow bone, I like to use something very neutral but a couple shades lighter than my skin tone. So I'm gonna go in with the Supreme and put that on my eyebrow bone. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. I know you guys have not been able to see any of my content for the past few weeks. I did celebrate my birthday a couple weeks ago. Happy birthday to me. It was on August 29th. Oh, and it got a blending brush on the... Okay, I didn't even see this. It has an eyeshadow brush on one end and a blending brush on the other. That Anastasia, we're just gonna use. So that happened, my birthday happened, and then 2 weeks before that, my son had to go to the hospital to get stitches because he was running with his toy and fell face first on top of the toy. So needless to say, I was like scared out of my mind because I didn't want to go to the hospital during COVID. But I went, took him there. He was phenomenal, didn't cry, but he scared mommy half to death. So now I'm gonna go in with Unicorn Tribe. We're gonna put that right in my crease. As you can see, that is a beautiful color. Since I have such big lid space and brow, like under eye brow space, I like to bring the color up some so that I can actually see it when I open my eyes, because I have really big eyes. So we have to make sure the color is noticeable, because you don't want to do all this and then you look up and nobody can even tell that you did makeup. All that time you spent on makeup and nobody notices? No, honey. Next, we are going to go in with BBDC. So we're going to put that in my crease just to deepen it. Anyways, after that whole debacle with my son, it was time for me to celebrate my birthday. Now, I turned 31 on August the 29th, and I absolutely enjoyed my birthday. Shout out to everybody that came to my birthday. Shout out to everybody that said happy birthday to me. I love you guys. You guys you don't even know what you did. Like, you guys made me feel so loved and so welcomed and so thank you. This blending brush is doing the dang thing. Like, you guys know I'm blind and I have horrible vision and I can't see anything, but this brush is like, it's really doing it for me because it is going into my crease and placing the color exactly where I want it to go. I'm gonna go in with my bare, I guess it didn't want me to hold it. Calm down, calm down.
Calm down?
I'm gonna go in with my NYX Prime Satin Refresh Spray. I'm gonna spray that onto my brush just to get more color pigment payoff. So I'm gonna spray my brush. Then I'm gonna go into Believe. And I'm gonna put it on top of my eyelid on the outer half of my eye. Next, we are gonna go in with one more color. Clean off our brush real quick. And now I'm gonna spray it again with my NYX spray. I'm going to go in with DDG. I'm gonna get some and put it on the inner half of my eyelid. Ooh. 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 Yeah. I have a pretty glitter that I got from Amazon. I love it because it's like a pastel purple lilac with like iridescent glitter shades in there. And I'm a girl of sparkle. And that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm gonna take that and put that in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm gonna go in with my Hard Candy Glitter Stay Glitter Adhesive. And I just put that in the back of my hand. I use my hand as like a nice palette to emulsify my colors or my creams or anything like that. And it's right here. I should get something more professional, but since I'm only doing it on my face, it really doesn't matter. I'm gonna take a clean brush and kind of pat that glitter down so I know it's not going anywhere. I'm gonna go back in with Believe and go on my lower lash line. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of black just to deepen it some more because I like how this is going, but I want it to be a little darker in my outer corner. So I'm gonna go in with Beast. Guys, my eyes are done. I'm just going to add my obvious stuff, my eyeliner, my lashes. I'm gonna clean up my face, get all that powder off, and then I'll be right back. This is a different look for me. This hair, as you guys can tell, it's nice. I love it. I actually colored it myself. It came blonde. I'm feeling very like superhero type, but since I'm going to work today, I had to tone it down for you guys. It's for my job. So this is the look. I love it. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am so excited to just keep showing you my content. If you like this video today, drop a purple heart for your girl so I know that you watched through to the end of the video. I love you guys. Peace. Stay tuned next week for my next video. If you have any suggestions, requests, anything of that matter, please send me a comment, message, airmail, bird mail, whatever you want to call it. Send it to me and I will do those requests for you. I love you guys. Have a great day. Stay safe. Yeah. Bye.